boy, isn't this pretty?
There's tiny worlds inside your mind. Your fingers are a distant sky. Shove into your mouth to block the whole sun out. It's better than living in the light. Too dark, overexposed, so you fight. That's alright.
Hey, Dad.
You're harmless in your mind. You're formless in the night. That's alright. And what do you think is going right in your life? And what can you know about life if you never die? You think that the world is alright, that's a lie. 'Cause we're afraid to die, and that's alright. That the world is alright, not to lie.